Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today, I will show you how to download Visual Studio Code and use it in Android. But if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button. So now let's get straight into this video. Go to Play Store and then download an app called VHEditor. Click on CPU from those options. If it says 32-bit mode and instruction set, then it means your CPU is running on 32-bit. If 32-bit mode is not written, then it means your CPU is running on 64-bit. In that case, my CPU is running on 32-bit mode.
If your CPU is running on 32-bit, then download this one. And if your CPU is running on 64-bit, then download this one.
Find that app and then install that app. Give the media access to the app. Click on Install Server. Click on Start Editor. Your screen might get black for some seconds. Boom! Visual Studio Code ran successfully on Android. I hope this video is helpful for you. So peace out everyone.